Welcome to my classroom. Today I'm going to show you how to add a link to a website and then attach that to your classroom page. So first we're going to go to classwork. We're going to create an assignment. We're just going to call this Quizlet Lesson 8 flashcards. Give some instructions. Go to this website and practice the flashcard terms for 10 minutes. Then press Turn In on your assignment page. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and assign this some points. We're going to say this is worth 10 points. We're going to give it a due date. And let's go with April 10th. Topic, Quizlet. Alright, so it's time to add that link. So we go over to Add. We're going to do this from a link. So I could click up here and find that site. And I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste. Add it. Alright, and then I'm just going to look everything over before I send it. And I want this to go out to all the students. And I'm going to assign it now. And when I look on my page, here it is, Quizlet Lesson 8 flashcards.